Yeah, the governor of Yogyakarta Special Region, Sri Sultan Hamengku Buwono X, continues to express his concern over the rising number of COVID-19 infections in Yogyakarta. The latest numbers and figures from the COVID-19 task force of Yogyakarta mentioned that past couple of weeks have noted rising and peaking, even record numbers of COVID-19 infections on a daily basis. In the last 24 hours, the numbers has reached almost 600 cases per day. And the governor also expressed his concerns over the rising percentage of bed occupancy rate in Yogyakarta from 36% in just a couple of months ago to 76% in June, meaning that there is less than 24% bed availability for patients with critical conditions of COVID-19. And in terms of the support from the government, the incentives and stimulus continues to be given to over 400 small, medium and micro enterprises in Yogyakarta in terms of digital assistance. And by June 2021, over 280,000 of those emergencies have been receiving digital assistance from the government, and a little over 100,000 enterprises yet to receive this digital assistance, including the free delivery provided by the government of Yogyakarta Special Regions for customers receiving the products from these SMSEs from different regions in Yogyakarta Special Region. Again, we'd like to mention that special attention is given to the northernmost part of Yogyakarta, Selain Regencies, and Bantul Regency in the southernmost part of Yogyakarta as the two most notable addition to COVID-19 infections. And in the second half of 2021, it is hoped that the economic growth will be better compared to 2020, where Yogyakarta noted the shrunk of almost minus 6% of economic growth. And hopefully with these stimulus and incentives, the economic growth will be better in the second half of 2021. For lack of a better word, it is safe to say that after walking around 1.5 years in the darkness of the pandemic, the industry in Yogyakarta is hopefully starting to see light at the end of the tunnel. Rahmat Idris for TVRI World.